Congratulations! You're about to enjoy your new VIZIO OLED 4K HDR Smart TV. This video walks you through the unboxing process for the OLED TVs. Before we begin, we recommend having a friend help you through these steps. Let's get started. First, with the box upright, use scissors or a box cutter to cut the straps around the box. Then lift the outer box, leaving the TV in the box tray with the outer foam on. Locate and remove the Quick Start Guide. There will be clear straps that hold the top foam in place. Use your hands or scissors to separate it. Then, remove the accessories box and the base parts box you'll find in the foam packaging. Remove the top inside foam to remove the base. You will see the base stand located on the side of the TV. Your TV comes with aluminum base stand, a power cable, a full-featured IR remote with batteries, 3 bags labeled A, B, and C with different size screws, 2 parts for the TV base, back covers for wire management, and a quick start guide. Next, place the base back side up and place the triangle stand on the metal base and secure with the 4 screws in bag A. Then secure the stand bottom using the 2 screws from bag B. Now set the base to the side and prepare to remove the TV from the box tray. Next, you'll slide the bag down from the TV and you'll see warning stickers on each side of the back of the TV showing where you should place your hands to lift the TV out. There are hand cutouts in the bottom tray that will enable you to grip the bottom of the TV. Reach one hand inside the bag to locate the bottom of the TV. You'll then place your other hands where the green check stickers on the back of the TV are to support when lifting. Then lift the TV out of the box tray and carefully lay the TV panel side down on a flat surface. Always do this with 2 people. Take the assembled base tray and slide it into the slot at the bottom of the TV. Use the 4 screws in bag C to attach the base onto the backside of the TV. Once the base is connected to the TV, carefully lift the TV and place it in its intended location. Do not pinch the screen. The VIZIO OLED comes with cable management on the back of the TV. There are 2 long rectangular covers already secured to the TV. Remove those to begin the cable management. Once you've connected the power cable and the cables for your devices, place the cables in the discrete compartments. There are 4 total covers for the cable management, 2 long rectangular covers for the back of the TV, 1 square-shaped cover for the side of the TV, and 1 cover for the base stand. They will click into place. If you are mounting the TV, do not secure the covers. With your TV in place, remove all screen protectors. Put the included batteries in the remote and use the remote to turn the TV on. Now, all we need to do is follow the on-screen instructions to set up your TV. Then you can connect to the internet and begin streaming your favorite movies, shows, and videos. The OLED base stand also acts as a mount for VIZIO Elevate soundbar. Click the link in the description below to watch a short video on how to stream to your VIZIO OLED.